What's up, guys? There's a couple of fireballs over there. Oh, wait, let me grab my guitar. Hold on one second.
I have some medium ammo.
Started a band.
Yeah.
Number one band, Esperanza. Headed back to Esperanza. I decided to play our guitars, bro. Now we're gonna throw a little concert before we jump on this train home. We gonna do our thing, yeah. We gonna do our thing. Oh,
yeah. Silo Simon on the mic. He's gonna make it real nice.
Tell him, John.
Ready?
What's up?
We have a party going on here.
Yes, sir.
Alright, give me 1 second, guys. I'm on call.
Orbiter is en route. The safe window is closing.
Yo.
10 minutes to get out of there. I repeat, 10
Headed
minutes.
back to Esperanza. Gonna cook my expired pasta. Gonna share some with my rooster. Gonna eat this with my partners. Now, I just bought a renegade, shot somebody in the face, then I threw a trigger nade, blew all of his friends away. Oh shit, it's gonna be a lovely day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a lovely day.
GG's.